Alright, so I'm going to do a review of Combo's Nacho Cheese Baked Pretzel. Or Combo's Stuffed Snacks Nacho Cheese. I believe I had this flavor before, I'm not 100% sure. I haven't had Combos in a long time. You know, ironically, these actually smell like chili cheese. They don't really smell like nacho cheese. Yeah, they have like the nacho cheese, but they taste like just regular Combos, but they also taste almost like chili cheese, which is weird because they're nacho cheese. You'd think that these would be nacho flavored, but they're actually taste like a chili cheese flavor, which is weird. And I don't even think they have a chili cheese flavor, but I give these a probably a 6 out of 10. They're pretty good, but they're not the best Combos flavor. I like the pizza. Pizza flavor is my favorite.